Good morning, students. My name is Chaya. I'm handling mathematics subject. Today I'm going to start a chapter, coordinate geometry. Before that, whatever I teach in this video, that you have to write in a 200 pages under notebook. Now let's start the chapter. Coordinate geometry. Firstly, I need to explain some of the basic concept that you had studied in a previous classes, that is in a 9th standard. Consider a coordinate plane and had written a x-axis and a y-axis, and this can be divided into 4 quadrants. That is, this is first quadrant, and this is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant, and this one is fourth quadrant. Usually this x-axis is named as x and x dash, and y-axis named as y and y dash. Usually this x dash and y dash consisting of a negative elements, and x and y is consisting of positive elements. Consider some point 2, 3. This is an coordinate point that I'll locate in this axis. The value of x and y. X is 2 and y is a 3. Then x is 2. In the x-axis I select 2 and y-axis it is 3. This is the point. Okay. Definition. X comma y is a coordinate axis. Coordinate point. The distance of a point from x-axis is called a y-coordinate. Or a ordinate. Similarly, the distance of a point from y-axis is called x-coordinate. Or abscissa. That is, the distance of a point from y-axis, that is this point. The distance of a point y-axis is called a x-coordinate, because this line distance from the y-axis to this point, which is parallel to x-axis, then it is a x-coordinate. The distance of a point from a x-axis, and this line is parallel to y-axis, then it is a y-coordinate. Okay. Now, one more thing. Next definition, collinear. Definition. The 3 points A, B and C are collinear, are said to be collinear if the sum of the length of any two line segment is equal to the length of remaining line segment. Okay. I'll explain briefly here. Consider 3 points. As I said before in a definition, consider 3 points A, B and C. I join these 3 lines. Okay. The definition saying that the sum of the length of the two lines that is AB, consider a sum of 2 points AB and BC, is equal to the length of the remaining line segment. That is, the remaining line segment is AC. Here AB and BC. Remaining line segment is BC. AC. Similarly, we can write AC plus CB, which is equal to the remaining line segment, means AB. Right? Similarly, BA plus AC, the remaining line segment is BC. If this condition holds, that then the points are collinear, are said to be a collinear. Next, distance formula. This is a very important formula. This will be used to solve the problems in exercise. The distance between, definition, the distance between the 2 points P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2 is PQ equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula to find the distance between 2 points, and this is very important. The definition saying that the distance between the 2 points, here is a point P and this is a point Q. We need to find the distance between the 2 points, that is, the point P is of x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Okay. To find the distance between any 2 points, we need to use a formula, that is a distance formula, that is PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And it is very important formula that you have to remember to solve the exercise problem. Before going to start a exercise problem, we need to learn some of the basic concepts. That is, let's consider a note. This you had studied in a previous classes, that too in a factorization chapter. This is very important thing to solve a problem. That is plus into plus equal to plus, plus into minus equal to minus, minus into plus equal to minus, minus into minus equal to minus. Okay. See, minus into minus equal to plus. Here showing that same sign, if same sign is multiplied, we get a positive sign, that is plus into plus equal to plus and minus into minus equal to plus. If we multiply different signs, that is minus into plus equal to minus, plus into minus equal to minus. Okay. Now let's start exercise problem, that is on page number 134. Exercise 7.1. First problem. Find the distance between the following points, following pairs of points. This you can take down in a textbook. I directly going to solve a problem. First problem, 2, 3, 4, 1. Solution to this problem is, here the 2 point as given and we need to find the distance between the two pair of points. First, name these points. A is equal to 2, 3 and B is equal to 4, 1. Okay. These points can be written as considered as a x1 and y1, and this can be x2 and y2. Consider the formula. We know the formula, distance formula, that is AB. AB is, we named these 2 points, that's why I taken AB. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is, square root of x2 means 4 minus x1 means 2 whole square plus y2 means 1 minus y1 means 3. Just substitute the value of given values in the formula and simplify, you will get the answer. 4 minus 2 means 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 means minus 2 the whole square. We know that squaring numbers, that is 2 square equal to 4, even square the negative number also we get a 4. That is 4 plus 4. AB is equal to root 8 units. Okay, thank you.